at first already sir has discussed about the numerous problem. So what kind of the question we will face in the exam? That is the problem on trains. Just देखो. Problem on trains, time and distance, height and distance, time and work, simple interest, compound interest, profit loss, partnership, percentage, problem on ages, calendar, clock, average, area, volume and surface area, permutation, combination, numbers, problem on numbers, and problem on HCF and LCF. Normally, this type of question, that is problem on trains, time and distance, time and work, simple interest, compound interest, profit loss, partnership, percentage, problem on ages, average, this only in the arithmetic part. It is only are in the arithmetic. HCF, LCM, these are only the arithmetic part. Okay. Next, the problem on numbers. Numbers, that means a game of number. Number system is actually a game of number. That is, there are several type of numbers, and how can we relate with the mathematical question, and how can we proceed it? Okay. Then permutation combination, it's a different segment. Obviously, it is in the math portion, but not the arithmetic portion, not the number system, not the algebra. And with that, area, volume and surface area, these are in the mensuration portion. Height and distance. Height and distance is slightly related to the trigonometry. Okay. But obviously, it's totally in the class 10 standard, class 10 syllabus orient. Okay. Class 10 syllabus orient, I think all of you have already introduced with the topic. Maximum students obviously कुछ सारे students है जहाँ पे कुछ students after class 10 is not related with math, so definitely they are detached with math. But don't worry, this totally already you have introduced with this topic. Okay, when I will teach the class, you will totally clear of this topic. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So I think all of
Okay.
you have introduced with these topics already in your class 10 syllabus.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके और ये जो क्वेश्चन है, एक मिनट चलो, कुछ सारे क्वेश्चन देखते हैं मैथ्स का.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any idea, any guess about the topics? Actually, there are so many topics. Okay, but don't worry, ठीक हो जाएगा. ठीक है?
Yes, yes.
Okay. और टॉपिक के बारे में और कुछ पूछना है?
No, ma'am.
All of you?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Just a minute. Just wait. देखो, there क्या है questions? So the market price of on article is rupees 550. A shopkeeper allows a discount of 20% and still gets a profit of 10%. If he sells it will for 70, what is the percentage will be? Okay. So this question is relating for the which chapter? Any guess?
Percentage.
Profit loss.
Yes?
Loss, ma'am.
Percentage.
No, it will be profit loss.
Profit loss.
Profit and loss.
Not
Profit and
profit loss. Okay. Profit and loss. Very good. Profit and loss. There are some terms. SP,
ASP selling price.
that means selling price.
Cost
P,
price.
and one of the prices.
Cost price.
Okay. So marked price is 550. Okay. 550 के ऊपर डिस्काउंट 20% का. तो डिस्काउंट कितना होगा? एक बात सुनो, कोई नंबर का 10% जिसका साथ जीरो है, जैसे 550, 500, 1000, 200, 250, 200 एंड वट एवर, जिसका यूनिट डिजिट में जीरो और 10 डिजिट और सारे नंबर का, मतलब जिसको लास्ट में जीरो होता है, ठीक है, उसका 10% मतलब 10% मतलब लास्ट का जो जीरो वो कैंसिल हो जाएगा, लास्ट में जो जीरो है वो कैंसिल हो जाएगा। तो 550 का 10% कितना होगा? 55 होगा, 55 होगा, बट हमारा पास कितना है? 20%, तो 55 इंटू 2 100। क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? क्लियर?
240 होगा।
Yes, sir.
और
Yes, ma'am.
डायरेक्ट करो तो ये भी हो जाएगा 20% मतलब 20/100, 0 0 कट जाएगा, कितना मिलेगा? 110। ठीक है, तो टेल मी, एमपी इज रिलेट डायरेक्टली सेलिंग प्राइस या कॉस्ट प्राइस? एमपी डायरेक्टली रिलेट टू द एमपी एंड डिस्काउंट।
Selling price.
एसपी में सेलिंग
Actually, जब discount is, if discount is applicable on MP, it will be converted to the selling price. So selling price will be, obviously it is less than a marked price. So it will be 550 minus 110, that means 440. Okay. The 40%, 10% profit, 10% profit. 10%, that means within 100, 10 is the profit. Within 100, 10 is the profit. That is CP plus profit is equal to SP. CP plus profit is equal to SP. Profit 10%, so CP 100 plus 10, it will be 110. Okay. That means when CP is 100, profit is 10, SP will be 110. But we have 440 is the selling price. That means 110 is totally related to 440. 110 is totally related to 440. That means 110 is equivalent to 440. For reach for the 440, 100 times is multiplied how many times? Obviously 4 times. This is a very vital number because by 4, you have to reach the original number. That means when we multiply 100 by 4, you will get 400. That means CP is 400. CP is 400. Okay. Next time, the selling price is 470. Okay. But CP is fixed every time. That is 400. So this time profit will be 470 minus 400. That means 70. So profit percentage कितना होगा? Profit percentage होगा 70 by 400 into 100. Profit or loss, whatever, actually calculated on the CP or production cost, either cost price or production cost, whatever. Okay. So 70 is the profit upon 400. 0 0 0 0 cancel. Now 235 to 2 are 4. You will get 17.5%. Clear, everyone?
Once again.
Okay.
Yes.
Marked price is 550. Marked price, that means the price written in the tag. Okay. So when our discount chal raha hai, so discount, that means obviously marked price will be lesser. How? The discount percentage always calculated on the marked price. So 550 into 20%, that is 550 into 20 by 100, it will be 110. Okay. So when this 110 discount applicable on 550, you will get the selling price of the product. So discount, that means less, subtraction. So 550 minus 110, it will be 440. Okay. But when the selling price is 440, again in our question it is mentioned that is the profit is 10%. Profit 10%, 10%, that means in 100 it is 10. In 100 it is 10, that means when cost price is 100, 10 will be the profit. 10 will be profit. So when cost price and profit both are related, what will be our selling price? Selling price obviously will be cost price plus profit. That will be selling price. That means 110. Clear? Now, This 100 plus 10 and 110 all are applicable with the 100. All are applicable with the 100. But we have the selling price is exactly 440, not 110. So how many times? For 110 to 440, it will be 4 times.
4 times.
So naturally, if we multiply CP by 4, you will get the original CP, that is here 400. Okay. For whatever any product, cost price will be fixed for it. Okay. But different profit percentage or loss percentage, selling price will be different. But cost price is the definite. So obviously, when next time the selling price is 470, what will be the profit percentage? So first we find out the profit, then will be the profit percentage. Profit is how much? Profit is obviously SP minus CP. SP is greater, so SP minus CP. Whatever the what is the profit amount? That is a 70. Okay, this 70 always calculated, this 70, no, whatever profit, whatever loss, calculated only over the CP. So 70 by 400 into 100, and you will get the 17.5%, and your answer is option D. Now it is clear?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, so next question. This is the question of the time and work. Dekho. The efficiency of A, B, and C are in the ratio 5:6:9. A, B, C. Efficiency, that means working capacity. Working capacity. Okay. So for one day, A, B, C together can complete. Okay. Capacity, that means in unit time, how much time, how much work will be completed. Okay. Suppose A completed 5 chocolate, B completed 6 chocolate, C completed 9 chocolates. Okay. Separately, individually, A complete 5 chocolate, B complete 6 chocolate, and C complete 9 chocolates. So for one day, how many chocolates will be completed? It will be 20. Yes or no?
20.
It is clear? चॉकलेट के साथ तो बहुत इजी हो जाएगा क्वेश्चंस. ओके. And total work is completed 18 days. Total work is completed 18 days. So work for one day, they will complete 20. So by 18 days, how much work will be completed?
14 to 18.
360.
Okay.
Okay, 360. That means they have total 360 chocolates. Okay, they have total 360 chocolates. Now, second time, the total responsibility is upon B. Okay, so B completes 6 chocolate in one day. B completes 6 chocolate in one day. So 360 chocolate complete. For how many days B will take?
60.
60. 60. Very good. That means for completing the total chocolate, we will take 60 days. But in our question, 25% of the work, 25%. That means when work will be reduced, day will be reduced. And how many day will be reduced? Obviously, work is reduced in that amount, day will be reduced. That means 60 is the for total, but it will take for the 25%. So 60 into 25 by 100. 0 and 0 cancel. It will be 6, 5, 50. So it will be 50.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, we will take the total day of 360, no, ma'am? Or
How?
we will take for 60 days, ma'am? Because
360 is the total work.
Yes, ma'am. So we'll take for 360 day or 60 day, ma'am? 25% जो B का complete होने 25% of that work, then it will taking the percentage.
25% of 360.
Yes, no, I will just
Yes,
say
you can do.
you can
First,
do
you will
this.
reduce the work, that is
Yeah.
360 to 25 by 100. Yes, you can.
You can. Okay. Thank you.
360 to 25 by 100, that means you will get 90. So
Yes,
90
ma'am.
chocolates, then B takes is 15. Obviously, you can
Okay.
do.
ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Next question. The simple interest on a principal for 6 months at an interest rate of 10% per annum is rupees 100. What is the principal? This question is related to the simple interest. Okay. Simple interest related on a simple formula. Okay. What is the simple formula? Simple formula is
Interest
that
in
T into R into T by 100.
very good. PRT by 100. P for here principal, R for rate of interest,
Interest.
T for time, and S is for the simple interest. And one thing remember, that is T, that means time, always in the year mode, not month, not day. If in your question it is in the month, you convert to the year, that is divided by 12. If in your question it is in the day, then convert to the year, that is divide by 365. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here SI is 100. We don't know what is the value of principal. So you take only P. For R, you can write 10 into T. T here 6 months. Okay. So obviously
By
divide.
12 here.
1 by 2.
Yes. 0 and 0 cancel. 1, 2. So P is equal to 100 into 10 into 2. So the number marks principal will be 2000. Clear for everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now कैसे क्वेश्चन तुम लोग फेस करते हैं ये क्लियर होता है अभी? मैथ्स का कॉन्फिडेंस आता है अभी?
Yes, yes.
ये सारे टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन ही तुम लोग फेस करते हैं. ओके. Okay. Next question. Okay. Yeah, the ratio between the speeds of the two trains is 2:5. If the first train covers 350 km in 5 hours, then the speed of the second train. Okay. So this is a problem on trains or the time and distance. Actually, problem on trains, that means it is totally related to the time and distance.
Distance.
Yes. Okay. So first, fast train. What is this fast train speed? Speed is equal to, that is a formula, that is speed
distance
is
by
equal
time.
to distance by time. Very good. Distance by time. So 350 by 5. That means kilometer per hour.
Okay.
70 per hour. So first train is to second train. 2:5. Okay. That means in the ratio, first train speed 2, second train speed 5. But in our question, fast train speed is 70. That means in ratio which is 2, actually the value is 70. So 2 is equivalent to 70. Okay. Again, same process. For reaching for 70, 2 is multiplied how much time? How many times? 35.
Answer is
That's
also
a very vital number. If we multiply with 5, you will get the original value of 70. So it will be 175. Option B. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Normally, this type of questions will come in your exam. Okay. When I will take the class in the topic wise, total discussion will be held up. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.